What's going on, guys? Stefan, S&E's Garage. A couple videos ago, you guys will have saw that we installed a RR Racing valved axle back here on our GS-F, and that is paired with an Apexi mid pipe with resonators and a secondary cat delete, and we still have the factory headers. Now, this is a combo that I personally have never seen a video on, and I've never heard in person until I installed it. And with that being said, there's no videos with this setup on YouTube other than my installation video. So I figured what better way to share this than to record it. So we're going to set you guys up on our suction cup on the back bumper. We're going to go for a quick ride. I'm going to start the car in open mode, so valves open. We'll drive it around a little bit, do a couple pulls, and then I'll shut the car off, and we'll start the video up again in closed mode, and I'll do the same thing, start it up and drive it around a little bit and let you hear it. And that's literally all this video is going to be, just some good sound and exhaust. right, guys, and that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Exhaust, I think, sounds phenomenal. We did some clips opened, we did some clips closed. Like, share, and subscribe. We're not done with this car yet. We have more exhaust mods coming in the future, and we'll see you next time.